up, YouTube? Welcome back to Sauna's Lifestyle. Today's another day, another project. Well, not doing a project, but a review because look, we just came in the mail. The Sideskirts Splitter and the back rear pieces for the Hellcat. So it's pretty, I ain't gonna say it's heavy. It's not that heavy, but it feels light. But I ordered this from Race Design, so we'll see what it looks like. If you're just tuning in, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Go ahead and give me a like, share, comment at the end of the video. My channel is more or less for some DIYs as well as a lot of car stuff when it comes down to it. I like to do a lot of my own work on my cars. So without further ado, man, let me go ahead and get this big black box opened up for you guys real quick and show you guys what I got inside. So I've been waiting on this for a while. It took probably about a month for this to get here. It actually came out of Poland, which is weird. But I mean, I'm saying weird because I mean, unless they make Dodge out there, this is where it came from. So that site only has a lot of Dodge stuff on it. So that's why I say it's weird to me, because it came out of Poland. They wrapped it pretty good though. Look, it's even got my name on it, Jerome, on the box. And get this out of the way. Opening the box. So it's not carbon fiber. It's like a heavy plastic type of material that I have. That was how it comes, how it's designed. Don't cut through this box and mess nothing up. So the cap. Actually, hold on, let me cut this part out. Just want to make sure I'm not cutting through this plastic itself. Oh, right here. Let's cut it open right here. All right, so first part coming out of the box is the splitter. Actually, there's a side skirt attached to it. So again, it's a tough plastic. Actually, a little bit tougher feeling than the other one that I had on my car that broke. So I know you guys keep saying why you keep going with these plastic splitters, because I'm cheap on certain things, and I know I'm gonna end up scraping this up and messing it up. That's why I don't want to go with a fiberglass or a carbon fiber type look. So these are the if I can get it open. All right, so yeah. racedesign.eu. That's the logo for it. Let me show you. Oh, they actually got like a film protector on here. Because at first I was like, man, this stuff's all scratched up. But check it out real quick. I don't know if you can see it in the light or not, but it's rim design. Huh? Rim design. Race design. Probably can't see that in the dark, but actually I'm gonna take this film protector off. I just want to see what it looks like underneath it. Actually really nice. I'm just taking the whole thing off. Actually, it's a really nice material. No scratches on it at all. So, so that's going to go on the rear bumper. As you can see, it'll come out right here. So I'm thinking about doing keeping it black and then throwing like a white pinstripe at the bottom right here, which most likely that's probably what I'm going to end up doing. Doing it that way. So, all right. So that's one piece. Let me put this aside. Just want to make sure I check all the stuff that came in the package and make sure there's nothing broke. Came with the screws. Same thing, it's got the plastic covering on it. So I'll set that off to the side as well. Alright, so that's for the rear bumper. Right here I have the splitter. Actually came with some bolts. may or may not use. I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna use these or not, but of course they throw a sticker in there for you. Let me carefully cut this open so I don't slice the plastic itself. Pass it down here. So yeah, so this is the splitter, one solid piece. Doesn't stick out as far as the other one did. What I mean by that, the lip, it doesn't poke out too much. So, all in all, man, it doesn't look bad. I like it. Set this over here to the side. Then the last part I have is the side skirts. Just make sure these ain't messed up either. But I really like how they package it up. So they package it up to where it won't mess up anything. Let me put this off to the side. Pick that up here in a second. Be careful, don't cut this plastic. As well, this one came with some screws for fastening it down. Almost, there's self-tapping screws. Put that over here too. So y'all leave it in the comments below, man. Let me know, y'all think I should leave it black or color match it to the car. So regardless, I'm probably still gonna put it on black for now, just because I want to see what it looks like on there, and it's best to put it on with it being black to see how it looks prior to painting it, because obviously that gives me that idea if it looks good or not. But like I said, they packed it pretty good. They got this self-plastic protecting stuff on there, which is really nice, because literally when I open it up, you can see fingerprints, scratches, swirls, and all that. But it's a plastic film that goes on top of it. So all the pieces have this race design EU on here, which is pretty nice. Gives it that extra little, oomph. So that one looks good as well. And this one looks good too. So no damages. Appreciate that race design, the way you guys packaged this up. Did take a little longer than expected, but at the end of the day I got it right. So yeah, I just want to show you guys this unveil or unboxing, whatever you want to call it, of my splitter and side skirts. Those that are just tuning in, I used to have a splitter and side skirt on my car. As I'm driving on the highway, I hit something, the front splitter broke, and the pieces of it flew underneath the car, ran over it, and it hit the side skirts, breaking the corner of one of my side skirts. So that's the reason why I had to order all new side skirt, splitter, and rear pieces on here. So all I gotta do is tell you guys, man, stay tuned for when I mount this up, possibly this weekend. Most likely it'll probably be this weekend, because we're still under COVID, right? So we got some good news today from old Boris. He's gonna be letting up the gas pedal a little bit and giving us some brake here in a step type way of moving our way up to getting some freedom. And I cannot wait. I know you guys can't wait for the car scene to come back. I can't wait for the car scene to come back. I've been doing all this work on my cars. I can't show it off to nobody. So all I can do is look at it, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's gonna conclude my video today. Again, I appreciate all the love and support I've been getting so far. My numbers are slowly going up. I'm gonna keep bringing you guys this content, man, daily, weekly, whenever I can get parts in and show you guys my work that I do myself when it comes to my cars. So other than that, Saunders Lifestyle, and we out.